slime video yesterday because my phone died, so I just made the slime anyways. I got a lot of glue left, but this is some of the slime. The rest is right here. So I had a lot. Wait. I'm back. So yeah. Oh, I should never use that. When you just sit it in your hand for a while, it gets sticky. Now go like that, sit it in your hand. Now let it out. Stick. But now, you take it out. And you play with it. Not stick. This is the rest of the glue. Let me add a little bit. Nah. Where that paparoski? That paparoski. Give me that paparoski. My hair. I washed it. Combed it. I put hair stuff in it. Yeah, I might not use the rest. I like that much left. I got about like that much left. I used this much. And how did I get so much slime? I used a little bit. Okay, so this is my other slime. Should I mix it or not? They're the same color, so yeah, I'll do it. Oh. Paparoski. Why that hole just go in there? Let me do that again. Oh. Fell. I made one yesterday. Yesterday I made a giant slime bubble. I don't know what happened. I don't know what seems to happen. What happens? Let me take this out. Oh, it's stuck. Psych. Let me see, get off. It's all a clean spaghetti. Oh wait, clean spaghetti. That was weird. Why did I say spiggity? Spiggity, spiggity, boo. Spiggity, spiggity, spoo. Spiggity, 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 spoo. Spiggity, spiggity. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. I will miss you guys. Bye. What?